Hi, I'm Sarah with Taste of Home Test Kitchen, where we make thousands of Christmas cookies every year. Today we're making a lighter version of a popular holiday cookie recipe using simple ingredient swaps and Eggland's Best eggs, which are superior for baking. These holiday chocolate sandwich cookies are soft and cakey with just a touch of mint. I think they taste a lot like a thin mint cookie. They're delicious. So we start with 2 packages of your favorite Devil's Food cake mix right into the bowl of a stand mixer. And then we're going to add 3/4 cup of canola oil and a little bit of applesauce. We have a 1/4 cup. And then 1/2 teaspoon of mint extract goes in. Now in go our Eggland's Best eggs. Now here's the thing about these eggs, you guys. They are far and away more nutritious than ordinary eggs. And that's because they feed their hens a proprietary vegetarian diet. There's 25% less saturated fat in these eggs. They've got 6 times more vitamin D and 10 times more vitamin E. I think that is extraordinary to have that much goodness and nutrition in one egg. Okay, now we're gonna mix this until well blended. Okay, looks good. And now we are ready to scoop. And you're gonna wanna scoop portions onto parchment-lined baking sheets. I'll get these baking and we'll finish the rest. We're ready to start on the filling. And we start with a block of cream cheese. We're using reduced fat. That's one of the ways that we're lightening up the recipe here. We're gonna beat that till it's nice and smooth. And then to that, we're gonna add confectioner's sugar. Okay, so all of the lumps are out and we're ready to flavor this and tint it. So I'm using the 2/2 teaspoon of mint extract. And now we'll add a little bit of color. I'm using green food paste. Filling is my favorite part and we are ready. I'm using just a spoon here, but you could certainly use a pastry tip or a decorator's bag or an offset spatula. I want to eat this right now. A super delicious Christmas cookie that's lighter in calories, but big on flavor and nutrition thanks to Eggland's Best eggs. Not only do they have less saturated fat and more vitamins than ordinary eggs, they're fresher and more delicious, and I use them in all my holiday baking. Happy holidays!